Startup Dekhi Pioneer Summer, Rising Student Dekhi Digital Governance Award Summer. Yoho ICT Award, the biggest tech award of Nepal.
Namaste, we are Nyano Nani team. This picture was taken by my father after I got treatment from pneumonia in Kandibal. I was suffer from pneumonia because during my birth time, I was suffer from hypothermia, and I was born in a rural area of Nepal where there was not any basic facility where it can treat it. And to save me from the hypothermia, my parents has to travel so long distance. I was lucky that I survived. But this kind of situation is still exists in Nepal in today's date. In 2016, when we went to Okaldunga hospital, we saw mother is suffering or mother is struggling to save the life of her babies, and they were using a small wooden box to treat the baby. Situation strike us to make something to treat such kind of problem, and there are hundreds of families who are struggling to save the life of their babies, but out of which 27 families were not able to save the life of their babies. That is what it motivated us to make the Nyano Nani.
So Nyano Nani is an infant radiant warmer which was designed and developed completely in Nepal. So it provides the necessary warmth to a baby just after delivery, which is an important time where the baby is losing the heat in a rapid manner. So next slide, please. So a radiant warmer generally has a heating element which provides constant heat to a baby. So we have temperature probes attached to the baby's abdomen, which provides feedback to the control system. So this control system decides how much heat to provide to the baby. So this is our radiant warmer, generally how it works. Next slide, please. So after some research and a lot of feedback from the doctors and nurses, what we found out that the general radiant warmers available in the market, they have a very overwhelming control panel. So we came up with a very minimalist and intuitive design, which does not overall compromise the efficacy of the product, but provides ease of use to the end users. And all of the functions what we have featured in the baby warmer, it is as per the IEC standards. So the entire Nyano Nani can be disassembled and assembled in a matter of minutes. And since it merely weighs just around 19 kilograms, we can carry it to the most remote part of the Nepal and have it installed up and running in no time. After the design, what we do is, after the installation, what we do is we provide orientation and training to the end users so that they can operate the product independently. Thank you.
IEC is an international organization that sets the standard for standard and publishes and prepares the standard for electric and electronic related technologies. Whereas IEC 60601-121 is a standard dedicatedly for the radiant warmer like Nyano Nani. So we have satisfied all the while developing the Nyano Nani. It has robust PID control system, and we have tested rigorously all the features and alarms, and all the functions before deployment. As you can see in the picture, we have already installed two of the Nyano Nani in the different hospitals of Kathmandu, and we have already treated more than 2 dozens of the babies. And now we have developing 10 more warmers as per demand. And in the slide, there is a picture which depicts a story. Twins were born and both hypothermic, and both were treated in the same radio warmer because there was only one warmer in the hospital. So we can imagine the impact of these devices in remote health centers. Nyano Nani is not only curative device but also preventive. It cures the hypothermia but also prevents other health hazards like respiratory and all. The access of these kind of biomedical devices in the remote areas will have a significant impact and also ads for improving the healthcare facility for neonatal. The accessibility of making this kind of baby warmers will open up job opportunities for the skilled manpower and adds up for the economic development.
The future growth perspective of this device, we aim Nyano Nani to serve at least 50% of total birthing center of Nepal by 2020.
विस्तृत जानकारीको लागि लगइन गर्नुहोस् ictaward.org. ICT Award, honoring the best of technology sector in Nepal.